That nutritional yeast?
Close. It's hypoallergenic formula. So it's oats and hypoallergenic formula. But I made little oat waffles, so it could be worse, you know. I'm fine eating two foods if it means I'm not in otherwise I'd be going to anaphylaxis and be in the hospital all the time. So I can also have water. I can also have salt.
So she's at a wedding and she says she can only eat hypoallergenic formula and oats. I know this creator as MCAS and I've commented on one of her videos before. In her other videos, she does mention that she was diagnosed with multiple food allergies as a kid. These are tree nuts, peanuts, sesame, mustard seed, kiwi, and shellfish. So eating those foods would cause her to go into anaphylaxis. But I think what she's trying to say, if she eats any other food apart from oats or hypoallergenic formula, she won't go into anaphylaxis, but she will have a severe MCAS flare. This completely matches up with what foods are high and low in histamine. On the high end, we get aged cheeses, fermented foods, and cured meats. On the intermediate side are fresh meats like pork and chicken. Oats are generally low in histamine load, and hypoallergenic formulas will be right at the bottom because they contain no intact proteins and very little biogenic amine. So IgE-mediated food allergy differs from MCAS because an intact protein in a food triggers IgE to bind to mast cells and release a massive amount of histamine, causing anaphylaxis. Whereas in MCAS or histamine intolerance, the high histamine load causes non-IgE mediated release from your mast cells. So completely different pathways, but symptoms overlap. If we look at this study, it shows that there is no good data that multiple childhood food allergies puts you at a higher risk of developing MCAS in adulthood. Please comment below if you have MCAS or histamine intolerance and tell us what foods trigger you.